Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. We are going to learn Unit 1 and we are going to focus on time. Let's begin. The objective of this lesson are to say and write the time in correct sentence. Let's begin with the vocabulary of time. This is a clock. Clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. This is an analog clock. This is also a clock. It is called digital clock. Usually, on the analog clock, there are 3 hands. The longest hand is called minute hand. Minute hand. The shortest hand is called hour hand. Hour hand. The third hand on the clock, which is moving the fastest, is called the second hand. Second hand. The next word is o'clock. O'clock. It comes from the phrase of the clock. The next one is half. Half. Half means setengah. This is half past. Half past. Half past means setengah jam selepas. We say half past when the minute hand, which is the longest hand, is at the number 6. Now, let us look at this clock. This clock has 2 hands. The minute hand and the hour hand. Now, let us look at the minute hand. It is pointing at number 12. And the hour hand, the shortest hand, is pointing at number 11. So, when we are saying the time, we will say, it's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. When you want to write the number, you have to write 1100. Now, let's look at this clock. The minute hand is pointing at number 12, and the shortest hand, which is the hour hand, is pointing at number 7. So, what's the time? We say, it's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. And when you want to write the number, you have to write 700. Now, look at this clock. Look at the minute hand and the hour hand. The minute hand is pointing at number 6. It means half past. And the hour hand is pointing at the middle of number 8 and number 9. But it hasn't passed number 9 yet. It is still at number 8, near to number 8. So, how do we say this time? Okay, we will say, it's 8:30. It's 8:30. Pukul 8:30. Okay, when the minute hand is at number 6, we say half past. Okay, So 8:30. In number, you write 8:30. Now, let's try this clock. Look at the minute hand. It is at number 6. And the hour hand is between number 12 and number 1. So, it is still at number 12, not passing number 1. So, we say the time is, it's 12:30. It's 12:30. When you writing the number, you will write 12:30. Next, let's practice how to say the time. Can you tell the time? Now, let us look at the clocks. The first clock in the heart shape shows minute hand at number 6 and hour hand at number 10. So, it's 10:30. Now, look at the digital watch. It's written 9:30. So, we have to say it's 9:30. Now, look at the watch, the leather watch. It's pointing at number 2, the hour hand, and the minute hand is pointing at number 12. So, we say it's 2 o'clock. Look at the digital clock. It's written 12:00. So, we say it's 12 o'clock. Now, the next clock is showing you the minute hand at number 12 and the hour hand is at number 1. So, we say it's 1 o'clock. Now, look at the robot clock. It shows you 11:30. So, we have to say in a sentence, it's 11:30. Look at the next clock, the standing clock. It shows you the minute hand at number 6 and the hour hand is in the middle between number 11 and 12. So it is 11:30. 11:30. Next, the cat clock. It is 3:30. 3:30. The next clock is the hour hand is at number 8 and the minute hand at number 6. So it's 8:30. 8:30. So the remaining clocks, I think you can do it yourself. Okay, make a simple sentence about the clock. Next, let's do some exercise. You have to listen to the audio and choose the correct answer. Write your answer in your exercise book. Are you ready?
Activity 1. Listen and tick. 1.
What's the time?
I think it's 1 o'clock. No, it's 1:30.
2. Tina, what's the time?
It's 9 o'clock.
3. What's the time, Lisa?
Let me see. It's 7:30.
4.
Mum, what's the time?
It's 2 o'clock.
12 o'clock?
No, it's 2 o'clock.
Have you got the answers? I think you have got it right. Now, let's write some sentences. you have to write the time. Number 1 has been given to you. Please write the answer for number 2 until number 6 in your exercise book. After you have done this, you have to do one exercise from your module. It is on page 7. So that's all for now. Hope to see you on the next lesson. Thank you. Bye.